Hello guys, in this video, I will compare Motion and Reclaim AI to help you choose the best AI-powered productivity scheduler in 2025. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, User Interface and Setup. Motion offers a minimalistic dashboard with powerful automation that reschedules tasks dynamically. Reclaim, on the other hand, integrates deeply with your existing calendar like Google Calendar and uses smart blocking to protect your time. Both of them are easy to set up, but Reclaim feels more familiar if you're using traditional calendars. Number 2, AI scheduling and task management. Motion excels at turning tasks into scheduled blocks, constantly optimizing your day based on priority and duration, while Reclaim leans into context-aware scheduling, like auto-reserving time for lunch, meetings, and even habits. If you want a strict structure, you can go with Motion. And if you prefer flexibility, you can go with Reclaim. Number 3, collaboration and team features. Reclaim offers shared availability, syncing across teams, and auto-scheduling meetings based on preferences, while Motion also offers team scheduling, but it's more tailored toward individual productivity and task prioritization. Number 4, integrations. Reclaim works extremely well with Slack, Google Calendar, and Zoom, while Motion integrates with tools like Notion, Trello, and popular task management platforms, which gives it more edge for project-focused users. Number 5, their pricing. Motion is more expensive, especially for teams, while Reclaim offers a generous free plan and a cheaper paid version with solid features. So for final verdict, if you are a solo entrepreneur or like AI to run your calendar strictly, you can go for Motion. But if you are a collaborative worker who needs smart boundaries and shared availability, Reclaim AI is for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.